Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Negaunee High School, home of the miners. I'm actually in their basement part of the building, an old miner building too. The assemblies we did today though, I was coming to visit them to speak on bullying, look at someone's heart first. Those took place in the auditorium, but got the signage back here, so wanted to shoot the video down below. And really kind of the whole idea, right, that if we're able to go within, go deeper, right, it comes down to being able to see someone for who they truly are, right? Looking past just the outside appearance of someone and the judgments that we might have based on how someone's born, how they look, how they walk, talk, see, hear, learn, skin color, any difference that could separate us, we can look at it as an opportunity to connect us. So throughout the building, they have different signage too, not just that, but different just positive phrases. I mean, something so simple and true, but connect with the heart. And our heart's as big as our fist. If we can let love, peace, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn that into a peace sign. One finger for ourselves, the other for someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves, but how we choose to treat them, hopefully with kindness. But it's also two, because in just 2 seconds, in one text message, in one DM, one comment online, through social media, whether it's in person, something we say or do, and like a physical action, a verbal word that we say, that one breath, that one heartbeat, that one word, one action, 2 seconds, we can say something so nice, so positive, it stays on someone's heart in a great way for the rest of their life. Or in 2 seconds, conversely, we can say something so defeating and so mean that it stays on someone's heart in a negative way forever. So we have this opportunity, to uplift or to tear down. And hopefully we choose to not only include people, but to, raise them up even higher than ourselves, that we rise by lifting others. And it was so awesome today. I was welcomed by the peer-to-peer program here at the high school, some of the peer-to-peer coaches, some of the teachers that are a part of that, where they're really trying to assimilate the special education students with the general education students and, create a deeper sense of empathy, right? Deeper sense of compassion and inclusion. And to see how, welcomed I was very humbling for me. But just to see a lot of the students from both of those education backgrounds that came up to me and said what I share with them touched their heart was huge. It was really touching for me too, because to see that someone from far away can make a difference in almost 30-45 minutes on someone's heart that could last a lifetime, and to know that that was under an hour, but we have a whole school year or a whole lifetime ourselves. If we keep our hearts open to that love and kindness, we can start to make a difference, right? Start to make a huge impact in this world. And that also starts with knowing that we can turn any pain or anything that we've been through or have gone through or will go through or are currently going through, we can turn that pain into greatness, right? We can turn hurt people who hurt people, a big reason why bullying happens, because we push that pain on someone else, right? The easy thing to do. Turn that into healed people who heal people by letting that kindness fully enter our hearts. Now we've become healed and go help heal someone else's heart by showing them the same kindness that was shown to us, which is not easy because, that means that you have to usually forgive someone that's shown you only hatred, right? But it's possible. It's definitely possible. And the feedback that I got, after my assemblies this morning, after the heartfelt stories that I shared, after the inspirational videos, after the motivational music, the consistent theme that I heard is that, we're starting to understand the impact of our actions, right? That just that one phrase or, that one moment that we have with someone, we can either uplift or destroy. And knowing that bullying is over and over and over again, repeated on purpose, right? The things that aren't bullying, just the one-time actions, can still have that same impact, right? They can still leave that same mark on someone's heart. So hopefully we're choosing to see people for their heart first, but also for this too. All of us on the line of our hands, with the lines on our hands, on our palms, we have at least one on each hand. I trace one of mine here. We have the letter M, right? Sometimes a faint line connects it. That M stands for minors. No, just kidding. But it stands for miracle, like the front of my shirt. Upside down W stands for worthy, that we are all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we buy into that concept, right, now we can go out and be that light to someone else's heart that might have forgotten that, need a reminder about the fact that they are so special and so appreciated and so valued, right? And sometimes, we just got to be that person, that is their champion, that voice to the voiceless, somebody with a small voice, that if we risk getting bullied ourselves or judged ourselves or embarrassed ourselves just to include someone that otherwise wouldn't be included, that's beautiful. So thank you guys for touching my heart. It was just a beautiful morning, beautiful day. Heading over to the middle school now to speak there as well. today. And being up in the UP, just a great experience. Really do appreciate the opportunity. Hope to see you all again. Until then, though, have a great school year, great rest of the school year, and keep sharing your hearts. Also, as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button. You'll see pop up on the screen. Feel free to also check out this playlist for some additional motivation. And you can also visit my website by clicking the peace sign symbol on your screen, tablet, phone, wherever you're watching this clip, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.